Are you wondering how to transfer money from your Way2Go card straight to Cash App? You're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the exact process so you can move your funds with zero confusion. Stick around until the end to learn a simple trick to avoid failed transfers. Step 1. Open Cash App. First, grab your phone and launch the Cash App. Once it's open, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen and tap it. Step 2. Go to Linked Banks. Scroll down until you see Linked Banks and select it. This is where we'll add your Way2Go Card as a funding source. Step 3. Link your Way2Go Card. Tap on Add Bank or Card, then carefully enter your Way2Go Card details, card number, expiration date, CVV, and ZIP code. Double-check everything before tapping Link Card to confirm. Getting this right is crucial because one small typo can prevent your transfer from going through. Step 4. Transfer money. Once your card is linked, head back to the Cash App home screen and tap the bank icon at the bottom. Select Add Money, enter the amount you want to transfer, and hit Add to start the transaction. Pro tip, if you want to transfer a custom amount, tap the 3 dots on the amount screen. This gives you full control over exactly how much to move. Make sure you have your Way2Go card handy before starting, and always double-check your info. This prevents any delays or declined transfers. And that's it. You've just transferred money from your Way2Go card to your Cash App. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. I've also left some helpful links in the description to make this process even smoother.